In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center text on a page vertically and horizontally in Microsoft Word. Centering text perfectly in the middle of a page is especially useful for things like title pages, cover sheets, certificates, and simple posters. Many people know how to center text left to right, but getting it centered top to bottom on the page as well is a separate setting. I'll walk you through it step by step so you can set it up once and use it whenever you need. First, open your document in Microsoft Word and type the text you want to center. This could be a title, your name, or whatever you want to appear in the middle of the page. Once you've typed it, highlight or select that text. You can do this by clicking and dragging over it, or by placing your cursor in the paragraph if that's the only text on the page. Next, let's center the text horizontally, which means left to right. On the Home tab, look for the group of alignment icons. You'll see options for left, center, right, and justified alignment. Click the center alignment icon. You should now see your text move to the middle of the line, centered between the left and right margins. Now we'll take care of vertical centering so the text also sits in the middle of the page from top to bottom. Go to the Layout tab, or in some versions of Word, it might be labeled Page Layout. In that tab, find and click the small Page Setup Launcher icon in the corner of the Page Setup group. This will open the Page Setup dialog box. Inside the Page Setup window, click on the Layout tab. Look for a section labeled Page, and within that, find the drop-down called Vertical Alignment. By default, it's usually set to top. Click that drop-down and choose Center. Below that, there is an option labeled Apply to. If you only want this layout for the current page, select this section. If you're formatting an entire document, you can choose Whole Document instead. Once you've made your selection, click OK. You should now see your text placed exactly in the middle of the page, both horizontally and vertically. If it doesn't look quite right, double-check that you selected the correct text and that there isn't any extra blank text or paragraphs above or below it. That's all you need to do to center text perfectly on a page in Microsoft Word.